Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to sign up and create a FundTap account. This will be the full application process, start to finish, everything you need to get an application decision from the credit team. It should take no longer than 5 minutes. So let's get into it. First step is obviously finding the FundTap website, which you can do by searching FundTap on any of your Google search engines or the like. Next step is clicking on the sign up button here, and now you want to enter your personal details. So I'll put an example here, Brad James, and my business email is going to be bradjames@gmail.com. Obviously just an example. Next step, phone number. You can change the country area code depending whether you're in Australia or New Zealand, so please make sure that's correct, and then go ahead and chuck in your number. Obviously, again, I'm just doing an example. Next step is to create a strong password. Now this needs to have one capital letter, one special character, and then obviously a range of words or numbers, whatever your password is going to be. So let me just put in one here. And click Get Funding once you've done that. Provided your password's okay, you'll be put through to the next screen. So this screen shows you, I guess, the first step, which is to obviously connect your accounting software if you have it. So at this step, if you got to here and you do have accounting software, you would click on one of the 4 accounting softwares that you might use. So if you use Xero, you would click on Xero. Same for Mile, etc. If you don't use any of these accounting softwares or don't use accounting software at all, you can still proceed, so don't stop here. So basically this is where things separate. If you do have accounting software, click that and it will ask you to plug in the password for your accounting software and push submit, and that will take you to the next page, which is we will get to now by doing the non-accounting software way. So for those who don't have accounting software, click in here, click to upload invoices. So now you've got 2 options: upload a whole heap of invoices at once on the left-hand side, or just do one invoice. So we're going to do just one invoice. So let's just put in example bills contractors. Invoice number 1. Debtor is bills contracting. Issue date, issued today. Due date, 24th. So this might be one company issuing another invoice to another company. Obviously we can change this, so this would be your legal name. It probably wouldn't be the same as bill contracting. I'll make that more clear. So it might be Simon's Builders. Invoice total, you chuck in the amount. Just for practice sake, I'm going to do 0.1 cent. And then you choose the file name. So I'm going to go to desktop and upload the PDF invoice, which I've already drafted. Then you click submit, and this will take you through to the next screen, which is where you'll spend most of your time in FundTap. Not that you'll hope to spend much, it doesn't take long. Right, so this will now take you through to the next screen. So the first thing you'll notice here is you've got your company name or your personal name up in the top right there. This is where you can manage your account, log out, etc. Then there's only 2 main tabs here. So you've got To Fund and Funded. So either you've submitted or uploaded an invoice manually like we did, or you've linked your accounting software and you've come through to this tab. Either way, you should see the invoices outstanding from your company. And the next step here, this doesn't mean that you've submitted an invoice. This means that it's just brought into the FundTap system. So if you want one of these invoices funded and you need to do this to complete the next step, that or either click the pre-approval process. So you can click here. This is going to launch your computer into doing the final step of the application. So click an invoice for funding, accept the quote. And what that does is it's going to send an invoice to the FundTap team, let them know you want that funded. It's also going to launch you into the remainder of the application process so you can get a quick decision. So 5 steps, nice and easy. You need to consent to a credit or identity check. And then you've got 2 options here. If you started on the desktop like me, you need to send the link to your phone or get your phone out and scan the QR code. If you're on your phone, you just click continue on mobile. So I am going to scan the QR code now.
All right, so now you're in the Apply ID, click accept the terms and plug in your country that you're in, and then start typing in your residential address. It will auto-populate the address, and click this correct one before pushing continue to biometric verification. So you'll need your ID, driver's license or passport for this. I'm going to be using my driver's license. So the first step is to take a photo of the front of your driver's license, like so, and then select use photo. Apply ID will now verify the front photo of your driver's license in the background, so this may take 30 seconds or so to do so. It's just making sure you've got a clear image and it's a valid photo. Next step is to take a photo of the back of your driver's license. Again, a nice clear image helps speed this up. This will just verify it in the background, so please be patient while this does it. It shouldn't take any longer than 30 seconds to do so here. Following this, it's going to produce your data there. Please check that this is correct, and if it's all matching up, go through to the next step, which is to just take a basic screen recording of your face.
With a big smile. Thanks.
And that is it. Your verification is complete, so please continue on your phone or go back to your desktop once you've done this.
Alright, so once you've done the ID verification, you can come back to your desktop and go to the next step. If you're on your phone, you'll naturally flow through to this step. So next step is your bank account details. So you want to plug in your bank account details here. You want to let FundTap know if they can contact your accountant. In this case, I'm going to go no, I don't have an accountant. Job role title, your job at the company. So you might just put CEO. Do you own the property which you have entered in? So here you select yes, no, but I own, or no, but I own other property. So I'm going to go no, I don't own property because I don't own property. How did you hear about FundTap? Next thing is just plug in one of those for where you heard about FundTap from. And then you're on to the next step. This is review and sign digitally the FundTap agreement. Very simple. Basically, you review the document. It gives you options that you can automatically use to sign. Put the witness in. You need a witness with you when you are doing this document, so this might be Tessa. Tins. And the signature of the witness. Adopt signature. Email address, chuck in the email address for this person. Now, it shouldn't actually send them an email. They just need to be present with you when you're doing this. So now you can just autofill using that. Occupation, hairdresser, for example. Oops. Address of witness, fill this out. 3 Rough Road, for example. And then obviously just again here. Right, now as the person filling out the agreement, you need to just initial your initials on the bottom right of every page. Pretty quick and easy, as you can see here. Once you've done that, click Finish Signing, and that will automatically send it through to the FundTap team. You can now close this window and you will be put through to the next step. This is to add other owners. So if you've got any other directors of the company or partners with over a 25% share in the business, you need to add them, and they will also do the FundTap agreement and ID verification. Following this, you're just into the next step, which is a direct debit authority. So this allows FundTap to set up a direct debit on the invoice due date to receive payment from you. So this is the last step. Autofill some of your information here for you, and then obviously chuck in your bank codes again. Again, I'm just using random numbers here. You'll put in your actual bank account and press continue.
Once you've done that, you're all complete. The credit team will then review your application, and one of the team will get back to you if they have any queries. Otherwise, they will set your facility limit from there, give you approval or not. Thanks for watching.